Imagine a city rising from the desert, one that's designed from the ground up to lead a nation into the future. Welcome to Sultan Haitham City, a visionary project set to redefine urban living in Oman. This $2.6 billion smart city is designed to be a beacon of innovation, sustainability, and economic growth. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking features and future implications of this ambitious endeavor. So, get ready to explore a city like none other. First, let's talk about why Oman is investing $2.6 billion into creating this futuristic city from scratch. The idea for Sultan Haitham City goes beyond just urban expansion. It's about shaping a new identity for Oman in the 21st century. Oman, with its stunning landscapes and rich cultural history, has long been a hidden gem for travelers. But in today's world, it's about more than just tourism. It's about creating a space that's sustainable, technologically advanced, and attractive to both locals and global citizens. This city will provide jobs, foster innovation, and bring people together in a way that's never been done in Oman before. Think about it. Ever wondered if your city would be smarter than you someday? Well, in Sultan Haitham City, your home might actually be smarter than you. Just a little friendly competition. But seriously, this smart city isn't just a luxury for Oman. It's a necessity. Oman is setting an example for the world, creating a city that aligns with the environment while meeting the demands of a modern lifestyle. Now, let's dive into what makes Sultan Haitham City so unique. This isn't your typical city. No long traffic jams, no random power outages. It's a fully integrated urban ecosystem where everything, from transportation to energy, is planned with precision. Imagine this: fully automated public transportation systems that are powered by renewable energy, smart homes with AI that adapt to your lifestyle, and even climate-controlled public spaces to keep you cool in the scorching summer heat. The city will be interconnected through IoT, Internet of Things technology, which means data collected from various sources can help the city learn and improve the experience for residents. Ever had your fridge yell at you to buy milk? Here, it might actually happen. And no, I'm not talking about a nagging shopping app. I mean real-time, smart alerts that help make your life easier. Sultan Haitham City takes all the hassle out of daily living so that people can focus on what matters most, whether it's their careers, their families, or their personal growth. And with its green spaces, walking paths, and environmentally conscious design, it's a place where you can actually breathe in the city air. Act 3. The economic impact and tourism potential. Building a $2.6 billion city isn't just about technology. It's also about creating a self-sustaining economy. Sultan Haitham City will open up an array of new job opportunities for Omanis and draw in international talent. As a hub for innovation and business, the city aims to attract global companies and startups that are eager to work in a progressive environment. This influx of professionals will create a bustling economy and a vibrant community. But the appeal doesn't stop at the people who work here. Sultan Haitham City is designed to be an attractive destination for international visitors. Its unique combination of technology and Omani heritage promises to create an experience like no other. Imagine visiting a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. There's adventure around every corner, from scenic parks and cultural landmarks to high-tech shopping and dining areas. Now picture yourself taking a virtual tour in 3D, right from your home, and getting so excited that you're already packing your bags, even though you haven't booked a flight yet. This city will stand as a beacon, drawing people in from around the globe, not just because of its architecture or technology, but because of the promise it represents, a place where anyone can come and experience the future. And with Oman's warm hospitality, you'll never feel like a stranger. Act 4. The future of Sultan Haitham City and global implications. So, what does Sultan Haitham City mean for the future of cities? If it succeeds, and there's every reason to believe it will, it could set a new standard for urban development globally. Oman is showing that you don't have to compromise culture or sustainability to create an advanced society. Sultan Haitham City is proving that innovation and tradition can coexist in harmony, and that the cities of tomorrow can respect the natural world. Imagine this city 20 years from now, thriving, fully self-sustained, and influencing cities around the world to follow suit. Oman's ambitious project might just inspire other nations to rethink how they build communities, how they consume resources, and how they welcome the future. And who knows, Maybe 20 years from now, you'll look back on this video and say, I knew about Sultan Haitham City before it was cool. Or at least it became a top travel destination. The possibilities are endless. And with Oman's eyes on the future, this is only the beginning. ###. Conclusion and call to action. Sultan Haitham City is more than a place on the map. It's a vision coming to life. A destination that combines the allure of innovation with the beauty of tradition. Imagine the excitement of being among the first to experience it firsthand. If this glimpse into Oman's smart city has you dreaming about new destinations, be sure to check out our next video on the desire for exploring fresh places. You'll discover more about how cities and experiences like these can fulfill that longing for adventure and new horizons. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more incredible destinations and cutting-edge innovations. And if Sultan Haitham City inspired you today, let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.